Ready to unlock exclusive features on Snapchat without using your credit card? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem your Apple gift card and use that credit to get yourself Snapchat Plus, granting you access to all those cool perks. First things first, you'll need to redeem your Apple gift card balance into your Apple ID account. Locate the App Store on your iPhone and tap to open it. Once you're in the App Store, tap on your profile picture icon, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. A menu will pop up. Look for Redeem Gift Card or Code and tap it. You may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID again. Now, you have two options. You can use your iPhone's camera to scan the gift card, or you can manually enter the code. Just follow the on-screen instructions to add the gift card balance to your Apple ID. Okay, with your Apple ID balance loaded, let's head over to the Snapchat app. Open Snapchat on your iPhone. Go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. On your profile, find the Snapchat Plus banner or icon. It should be fairly prominent. Tap on it. You'll be presented with the Snapchat Plus subscription options. Choose the monthly or yearly plan that works best for you. When you tap to subscribe, an Apple Pay prompt will appear. Since you have a balance on your Apple ID from the gift card, it will automatically use that balance to pay for your Snapchat Plus subscription. Confirm the purchase. Congratulations! You are now a Snapchat Plus subscriber. Enjoy all the exclusive features and customization options. That's how you buy Snapchat Plus using an Apple gift card. Have fun!